Alright, alright. Up next talaga kasi pangalawa natin to reaction. We're going to watch the Beanie. Asa na? Nakalagay na ba dyan? Babasahin ko kasi mag-shout out ako.
Okay, basahin mo muna.
Beanie. Yeah, lalagay lang natin sa screen natin. Okay, si Beanie Aya, Maloy, and Sheena sa unit. Perform please. Edmonton, Universe, Canada. I'm so excited, so let's hit play and drive right into the video. Oh, it's Sabrina Carpenter's yan. Nakalimutan ko, pero gusto ko yung song na Sabrina Carpenter's na yan.
Did you know this song is my favorite song?
Hindi ko alam.
Now you know.
Favorite ko rin yan, alam mo ba? Favorite ko yan. Oo.
Listen.
And you know, I heard that the crowd's really hype.
Yeah.
Super hype. And their dance is so cute. Alam mo yun, it has the triple vibe. It's perfect din for the song. At isa pa, I really love this song. It's just so cute and fun. Kaya favorite ko rin siya talaga. Ayan na. May ano yan eh. Wow. Diba?
Hindi sila pwedeng mag-curse.
Yeah, yes.
Kasi may mga batang
that part actually made me laugh. But good thing, yeah, tama ka nga. They didn't put the, lyrics. And which is smart. And the harmonization hindi ko lang nasabi. Pero alam niyo naman magaling talaga sila sabay-sabay o mag-blend ng voice nila. Wow. Sheena, no, diba? Ang sexy ni Sheena.
Lahat sila.
Oh, now it's Aya's turn in the spotlight. Her expressions are so fun to watch, yeah. Yeah, so fun. Oh, is Sheena's part now. Oh, and look, Maloy's even sitting down for her part. Alam mo, mahirap kumanta na nakasit or nakaupo.
Mamaya sasabihin ko.
Ano sasabihin mo mamaya? Later, may iniipon kang
Yeah. Sa last part.
Thoughts mo sa iyong mind.
Yeah.
The video's already ending. That was so fast. I didn't even feel the time. I was just having so much fun watching them.
Look at
I really
Maloy.
enjoyed this performance. Okay now, so what do you think? Go ahead and share your thoughts.
Wait. Aalis ka? Nagmamadali ka ba?
Hindi, okay, sige. So now, Kako, what do you think? And don't forget your rating too.
Yeah.
Sasandal muna ako habang nakikinig sa inipon mong thoughts.
Kasi nga, favorite ko yung song na to. Then, Beanie made a cover of it. I noticed na yung audience couldn't hide their excitement for Beanie. Especially those screaming. They looked like they were dying from excitement.
Oh.
Yung sigawan nila was intense. But instead of getting annoyed, you'd get swept up in it kasi the three of them were incredibly amazing. Okay, let's focus on Aya.
Okay. Tapos na siya. Dami niya inipon.
Ito na.
Gusto niya. Kasi madali, kasi konti lang sila ngayon.
Yeah. Her voice is truly unique. It's like she's putting you to sleep. So calm at gentle, diba? Next is Sheena. Her voice is also calm and I can say na nakakakanta talaga siya at it really suits this mellow song. And of course, they still have choreography It's like a cute and sexy dance. Umiikot din sila sa microphones. Maloy's susunod is kind of alluring. She's great on stage. I always look at her kasi she's so captivating. I noticed then that Maloy's voice has natural crack. And it's mahirap to sing while sitting down. If you ask me, I've tried singing while nakaupo. And it's really hard to control your diaphragm. Kaya, it's impressive that she wasn't off key in that part of the song. Overall, based on the performance today, I can say that singing live is really difficult, especially when there's blending at saka harmonization. Siyempre, there were a few minor imperfections na hindi talaga may iwasan when singing live. That's why they're so magagaling. It's a truly live performance at hindi lang sila basta nagpa-perform. From what I see, they're enjoying what they're doing. So, I'll give them a rating of 1 to 10. I'll give them a 10.
Okay, now it's my turn to share. What I can say is I absolutely enjoyed this performance from start to finish. The energy of Aya, Maloy, and Sheena was so fun and engaging. And you can really feel how much they love performing. The harmonization was lovely, the choreography was super cute, and each of them brought their own charm to the stage. Sheena's movements were so smooth, Aya's facial expression were really entertaining, and Maloy had her own unique vibe that balanced it all out. The styling was also on point. Props to the wardrobe trim. I honestly didn't even realize the time because I was just so into it, and it was short, but it left a strong impression for me. This performance is a perfect 10 out of 10.